Lana, good evening. This is how can I can open it. There you go. Well, first you open a Desmos calculator. Desmos calculator. Okay, so Desmos star. The first question is this. It's number 880. Okay. There are two functions. It says here, g of x, I need to type that here. G of x, the first one is equals x minus 3 raised to 3. Okay, so the condition is must be less than or equal to 4. Okay, now I'm going to show you that graph. That graph is this graph here. That's the first graph. The second graph is g of x equals negative 4 divide x. Okay, so these are the two graphs, the blue, the red, which is this, and then the blue, which is this. Okay, now we're going to find out the condition. It says 4. If you can see this number here is 4, we need to look for 4 and then make it bigger. So that's the 4. That's the 4 that they're looking for. Okay, here we go. I'm going to screenshot this. Oh no, hold on. So I can write that. Now here we go. We're gonna look at the condition. The first one, it says less than. The first one, it says less than or equal to 4. Remember, less than means smaller than. Okay. The first graph is the red. I'm gonna mark this. So they said less than or equal to 4. This is the 4. You're gonna look for the line that hits the 4. So this number here. So it looks like that's 1. Okay. So but that's not important. What's important right now is how to graph that. The condition is x is less than or equal to 4. So your graph is from that until here. Less than or equal, it means I need to bubble this. So that's going to be your graph for the first condition. The second condition is this. This graph here, which is blue, is greater than 4. Okay, I'm going to change my color. Let's make it orange. So 4 again. But this is greater than, it's not equal. So your graph, it's just this. So your graph here are only the blue going down and the orange open going to the right. So that's question number 80. Okay, now let's go on question number 82. Okay, question number 82. They said find f of 2. Same thing. I'm gonna type the functions. The functions here are f of x is equals to negative 6. Okay, that's red. F of what's this? Square root of negative. Okay, negative x. I'm gonna check the radical sign. Square negative x, and then the other one is absolute value. F of x equals absolute value of x minus 3, absolute value. Okay, now let me change this so you don't get confused. Doesn't really matter, no? So now we get that. We need to find the f of 2. 2 means the value of x. X is 2. So this is the graph. This is the graph. Remember, the first graph is f of x equals negative 6. That's the graph. The blue is the square root of negative x, and the green is the absolute value of x minus 3. Now the question is find f of 2. So 2 means the value of x. That's the 2. So I need to find out what are the 2's, okay? So again, my goal here, hold on, let me screenshot this. Screenshot this so I can write on it. Here we go. My goal here is to find hold on, why I cannot write? Why I cannot write this? Come on, man. All right. Why can't I?
There you go.
No, I need this. I need my pen. My golly. So the goal is find. Why I cannot write here? Hold on, I need to connect. Okay, there you go. My goal is find f of 2. F of 2. Okay, remember that 2 is the value is x. That's the x here. This is the x. Now, for these 3 equation, let's start with the nearest, this one here. Okay, but it says here, hold on, let me look at the condition. Low bat. Golly.
Your phone.
That's the charger. There.
There's a charger?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. For this, excuse me. All right, f of 2. Here we go. We have three equations here. The red, okay, so these are the 2's here. Also, these are 2. See it. Ito naman, oh.
Maybe it's low bat too.
Okay, f of 2. So another f of 2 here is this. This is 2. How do I know this is f of 2? Because that's under and above the 2. So now the question here is, what's the value of f of 2? There's no value for this. There's no value for this. Okay? While this, the red, f of 2 is what? It's negative 6. So the answer here is f of 2. Frustrating with this technology. Okay. This one here, f of 2 is equals to, there you go, this is negative 6. Negative 6. This one doesn't have, because f of 2, there's no f of 2. The graph of this is going to the left. This one here, the f of 2 is, I think this is 1. So the f of 2 here, f of 2 is equals to 1. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna say it's 1. I cannot write it here. Okay, f of 2 is 1 because that's the height of that. This is I'm talking about here. F of 2 is equals to 1. That's the answer here. This doesn't have an answer. The answer is -6. Okay, now let's look at the next question.